Hey everybody, welcome back to the Aquatree channel. I'm Alex and I'm excited to have you joining us today. This video is going to cover the Aquatree dams and why you need them. But first, if this is your first time with us, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to join our awesome community. And if you don't find what you're looking for in this video, we welcome you to explore our other amazing videos. We have tons of valuable content to help you master your Aquatree game, from expert tips and tricks to wonderful insights from our community members. After opening and assembling your Aquatree, you may have seen this packet full of these little clear plastic pieces and thought, what the heck are these for? So today we're going to talk about the dams and what they're used for. First, let's talk about beans. Did you know that they love water? At the start of each bean cycle, whether it's mung, garbanzo, or any other bean you're germinating, you're going to want to flood the tray for a few hours after planting them in your microlid. You may have noticed your microlid and irrigation tray both have these little cutouts here and here. Once you've rinsed your beans in the microlid and placed it in the irrigation tray, you'll want to insert a dam on each side of the tray, like this. Leave both dams in for 2 to 3 hours to really let your beans soak up that nice water flow. Once the 2 to 3 hours pass, you'll want to remove just one of the dams. It doesn't matter which dam you remove, as long as one stays through the growth cycle. Bean roots will search for water, and if they don't have ample water access in the tray, they'll start growing through the microlid. This is why you want to keep one of the dams in. Fresh water will still be able to cycle through the open side of the tray, but it will also hold enough to keep the beans happy. Follow these steps and you'll have fresh, protein-rich beans in 36 to 48 hours. I'm Alex, and I'll see you in the next one.